Welcome to this tutorial on using the Halo feature in 3M Pattern Editor. This is a powerful tool that lets you add custom borders to your nested parts or individual patterns, making film removal and pattern enlargement easy. To get started, ensure you have a vehicle pattern loaded in the Pattern Editor and select your nested group of parts. The Halo feature becomes available in the Quick Action toolbar on the right-hand side. This feature allows you to apply a customizable border offset to your patterns for easier film removal. Simply enter your desired offset value in millimeters or inches, then preview the adjustment before applying. Halo also remembers your settings, so the next time you need to apply a border, your preferred offset values are ready to go, ensuring consistency across multiple projects. Need a bulk pattern? The Halo feature lets you enlarge any single part while maintaining its original proportions. This is great for adjusting fit without manual resizing. To remove the original outline, break the path for compound shapes or ungroup for group shapes and simply delete. You'll also have the option to retain an emblem or remove it. In this case, I prefer to leave my emblem for alignment. And that's how you use the Halo feature in Pattern Editor. Whether you're enlarging patterns, improving film removal, Halo makes it easier than ever. Try it out today and streamline your workflow. For more tips and tutorials, visit our tutorials page in our support section. Thanks for watching.